Alright, let's fucking go! Video 706. In the PIMPSOB section, we have some monkey wrench macros. The correct lookup tables are down here. We're going to take the green room index and convert it to R5X and R5Y, which are cells on the 5x5 grid within the rendering layout for the hotel. We're not going to use these anywhere. I screwed up and I made these lookup tables, but we don't need them. Here's a little checksum thing here. Okay, so down here in the PIMPSOB function section, within our loader function right here we've been working on, we've added some more code. We have the lateral offset to the BOM data, 64 on the X, 0 on the Y. The diagonal offset to the data is 0 because we're using the 1X size tiles. Local pixel X and Y. The cute origin on the image, and the texture origin on, well, our texture. Okay, so here's our salty loop, and this lookup table doesn't exist yet because I fucked up and I made the wrong lookup table. And then down here, these formulas are finished. So we add the diagonal offset to the data in both equations, and then the lateral offset is moving on the X, but not moving on the Y, to get to the BOM layer of data where we're storing these glass panels. We're going to loop through local pixel X and local pixel Y in scan line order, and then we are going to globalize that local pixel by adding the cute origin or the texture origin to get cute X and Y, which is a pixel coordinate on the 192 by 192 image, or the texture pixel coordinate, texture X, texture Y, which is a coordinate somewhere on our master texture memory called Pix2048, which stores all of the game memory. Eventually, we're going to do the pixel copy right here, and here's the end of our loop where we're looping through those local pixels. Here's what we did previously, and then here's our little diagram of what that lookup table means. The the green room index converted to R5X and R5Y. This is what we're doing. This was the wrong lookup table because we're looking at the render layout here, but we need a lookup table for the data layout, not the render layout. I fucked up. Here's how we offset to the BOM tiles. That's why it's right over there. That's why there's a lateral offset on the X, but not the Y. Okay, I'm out of here. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here because you're on the advanced playlist here. Like, subscribe, send money.